bare hands. I need to find a weapon. I can do this. Let's see if this thing still works. Just remember Roth's training.
You can have the best form or technique in the world, but it won't mean a thing if you can't focus. The key to using any weapon is focus.
So hungry. I need to find something to eat. Some kind of container. Who left these behind?